mini album I made with the Graphic 45 Farmhouse collection. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I've made this album before. It just is an oldie but goodie, and I got my hands on some of the 8x8 paper called Farmhouse from Graphic 45, and I wanted to make another album. So this album measures 7.5 by 5.5 with about a 2.25 inch spine. There are 4 signatures, but there's a lot packed into here. So let's take you through it and I'll show you what we have. On the cover I have the cow. I fussy cut around him and raised him up. I don't know if you can see, but underneath his mouth I had some tassels that were in a hay color. And so I just added some to the bottom as if this cow is eating some hay. I also added some down on the ground under the chickens, just to sort of pull it all together. I did a lot of layering on the front. So we've got the cut apart, the cow, the chickens that are fussy cut, this paper, a yellow paper, more of that, a red, and then our base, which is done in black. So let me take you inside and show you. Oh, I do have the ribbon on here, which obviously matched nicely, but I had to tone it down a little. I used some ink on it. So inside the front page, we have a flap. Now, I wanted to show you this. On the flap is this chipboard element that's a swing tab with a brad, but I wanted to tell you that I added a magnet underneath, sort of dug a hole in the chipboard and put a magnet in there and have a corresponding magnet here. You ever have these swing tabs and they just don't stay in place? Well, I solved that by putting a magnet there. So that'll open up like that, and then this page will open, and there is a side loading pocket with a sticker here, sticker there. It makes it a cute little tuck spot. It says welcome friends, and this is my happy place. And there is a nice little journaling card, or you could put a nice photo on here. It just worked out real nice. And then I've got on this page a small pocket. It was one of the border strips on the paper. So in the pocket I've got a photo mat. So another chance to put a small photo. And I also have some of these cut apart. They just were adorable, and I just took the opportunity to put them anywhere I could. I mean, just each one of these is a piece of art all by itself. So anyhow, that's in here. I did cut this out of one of the pages, but I had to fussy cut around the cow. Of course, we've got the cow with the pig and the rooster. It just was fun. Fun, fun, fun. So we'll close that up. Close it. Whoops. Close it this way. I did put a little fussy cut chicken there, and that stays nice and tight. This is a sticker that I put on some cardstock. There's a magnet underneath, and that'll open like that. And then that opens like that to reveal a good spot here to put some photos, and as well you could put some photos on this page, but I left it open here on the bottom to add some of these ticket stubs in that tuck spot, and one up here as well. But you could take those out and just put a photo right there. So that'll close, and that is a side loading pocket. And here's a secret. This is not from the same collection. This actually was from It's Raining Cats and Dogs. It's Raining Cats and Dogs? Is that what the Graphic 45 collection is? I think so. The paper went really well, and since I didn't have that much of this collection, I sort of had to make it work. And I think it worked wonderfully. So this is held down with a magnet on the bottom of this sticker. And that opens up to reveal a pocket. There's a little border here from the sticker sheet. I did have some of the 12 by 12 collection. I think that's where I got the stickers from. I just have been hunting for the collection. Can't wait. Hope that G45 will bring that back soon. It's my favorite Graphic 45. Probably my favorite paper collection of all time. So anyhow, that'll go there. That's a tuck spot, room to put a photo there, and that'll close again with the magnet. So here's my friend the cow. This will open up like that. This is actually a pocket And there is a photo mat in the pocket. It says, "This is my happy place." And again, some more of these gorgeous cut aparts in just a little pocket made from one of those border strips. I mean, really. Here's our side loading pocket. And there is that page. Okay, more. So this will open like this. Life is better on the porch. And there's room here for a couple of photos. I think this paper is just gorgeous. And look at how well it coordinates with that. And the different layers on here. I mean, it looks like it's crackled and then it's toned down. It's just beautiful. So not only does that close like that, but then this will also open like that, giving you room to put more photos. That'll be a nice little tuck spot. And that's a tuck spot as well. Here's a side loading pocket to coordinate with that page. Again, I use some of the Raining Cats and Dogs paper to put on that tag. And then there's that tag as well. That's a sticker from the sticker sheet. He's just gorgeous. You know, I think I did take some alcohol marker, like a dark gray, and went around here just to make it pop. I think I did that. I did this a couple of weeks ago. And I was waiting for the right opportunity to take photos. And you saw in the front, and I'll show you my friends, the cows. I was waiting for them to go onto their spring pasture so I could feature them in my thumbnail. All right, so here's another chipboard element on a swivel, and then that opens like that, giving you room to put photos and photos. That, of course, is held down with a magnet. Here's another little pocket. I fussy cut around the cows just so they would pop up. Layered some paper just because I wanted the barn in there. I wanted the cows. I wanted it all. I believe this paper came from another collection. It may have come from Little Things. Don't remember exactly, but you know, when you have scraps of paper and you're trying to make an album, put all the G45 papers in a pile and see what will work. I think it matches nicely with that collection. And then here again is our side loading pocket. All right, and then the last page has just a little tuck spot made with one of the stickers. I really didn't want to cover this paper. I thought it was gorgeous. I could spend all afternoon reading this to you, but I certainly love the pig that is there, the chicken, a baby chick advertisement, and again, it makes a nice little tuck spot. If I were using this and putting photos, I would just tuck the photos in there so I could take that out and read it. Chipboard element that says "Make hay while the sun is shining." That'll open up like that to reveal a pocket and lots of room to put photos in this pocket. It's not gusseted, but it's a good sized pocket, and that's where you can put all the photos if you have any left after filling out this book. The back cover is just simply this paper. It's on several different layers. A sticker saying "Handmade by me." There's our spine with a sticker, and we are back to the cover. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If you'd like to make it, I do have a tutorial. I made a tutorial when I first made this album in 2022. I will link that in the description box or up here so you can go check it out. If you have the 8x8 collection, I'm sure you could make it work with a 12x12 as well, but the 8x8 gave me the imagery in the right size. That is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this mini album walkthrough. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous